Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to find the targets and stop losses of the chart by using previous wave high and low. So in this case, you will need a tool called as price range, and you can select it over here. This is the previous wave and this is the next wave. So we will using this wave heights to find out the next high and low or the targets for the future movement of the price action. We don't have this graph, we just have moved from here to here, and we find out that this is the support. So in that case, what we can do, we will take the high and low of this wave and extend it. Okay, so I will just have to match high and low. Okay, so what I will do, just copy and paste once again and match the line of the top and bottom, and you can see here this was the first wave. We found out the high and low of that. Later we get support here, and second wave was the same height. It was getting support here, and then the third wave started, and this wave also have the same height as this previous wave. So friends, we will find some new examples. Suppose I have this graph, the previous day, this is the previous day, and it was a sideways day, and we will try to find out the next day's levels based on this high and low. So in this case, what I will do, I will put the price range tool at this wave high and low. So let's see. So this was my previous high and low. It is approximately the initial balance for the day, and let's see, just copy and paste and put it over here, and one more time copy and paste it. So we can see the next day price opened here, and it went up until the previous day's waves low, and then started to fall down. So in that case, this wave height is in multiples of the previous wave height. So I have put these two times. To finding out the targets, we can use the heights and multiple of this height, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or half. I will show you, as this is the previous height, and we can find out what is happening here. This is the 125 point, okay, approximately, and this is the 125 points here. So what I will do, just put half of 125, so it is approximately 62.5. so this is 62.5, and I will just put it over here, and we can see that how perfectly this works. Okay, so this was the opening of the day. It was the half of the previous day's wave height, and the price is getting breakout through the same level, and in multiples of this height it went down and supported here. If I am putting the same half portion here, we can see that the price is getting support here and then moving sideways within this box. Now we will see that in live market how we can use this price range tool to find out the future wave height also the targets and entry and exit, and based on how price is behaving at those levels which we marked. So for that we will have to take first the price range tool, and I will start this day from here, and I will just start it here. Now I got the first wave height of the day, and I will just apply this tool and find out the height of this wave. So now in this case, if the price is getting support here, so I will have to find out the next targets for this wave to reach, and we will just start again and find that whether it gets to this target. So now this price has reached our target, and it is breaking very strongly from this target, so that we now find that this was the first wave and the price is going higher, so that we will put, so in this case what will be the next wave target? In this case what I can do, I will just put the same wave height here, and again we will start the chart. So here the price is getting support at this level, so that this is now working as a support for this new wave, and this is the third wave is starting, so that we have the height of this wave, means this is the target for the next wave. So friends, we have reached our target, and now the price is getting resistance at this level. So this was the height for the new wave, and we will see that if it is not going further, what will be the next target to the downside? It may be that the height of the wave will be downside and the same height will be there. So this what happens exactly, the price goes to the downside and touch to exact the same level. Okay, so if in this case I have to go more deep, so what I can do, I will just copy this one, and I know this is 118, so I will just make the height half of that, that is approximately 59, and will put it over here. So for this wave, now the middle target was that half of this total wave height. So we can see that the price is getting consolidated here for some time, and then broke out with the support and strong candle at this level. So similarly, if I am putting this half over here, so we can see that from the starting of this wave, it was getting support at this level. It was just it went higher and then got support here. We can closely see that why price is behaving like this here, making a doji, and then the red line, and then the green line when occurs, immediately understand the price is getting support here. That means the price wants to go higher, and what is the target for this? That is, we have already. Okay, so this is the second target we achieved, and then if I want to find the what will be happen to the next price action, this is the height of the wave, and the change of the trend may happen here or may continue from here. So if the price wants to continue the trend, then in this case it will get support here and will move strongly. We can find out the short term targets and enter according to those levels. We don't need to have any previous analysis for that. Simply take any of the wave and just put the price range there in multiple of that wave height or half of that wave height. You will get good target, and also for the entry and exit with respect to that levels. So friends, that's all for this video, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.